Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be renovating our laundry room slash utility room, and as you can see I jumped the gun a little bit and have already been painting the cabinets before I remembered to pick up the camera. But you can see what it looked like before pretty well. The cabinets were just a kind of pine colour. It has this really outdated vinyl floor and the walls are a minty off-white colour, which isn't really my style. And yeah, it just really needs some love and attention. So I took off the cabinet doors and laid them on top of some plastic sheeting in our garage, and I put the first layer of paint on with a brush, and then before it was dry I smoothed it out with the roller. This blue paint is specifically for wood furniture and it was amazing. I didn't have to prime the doors. I was literally able just to put the paint straight on and it gave a nice chalky matte finish, which is what I was after. So while the doors were drying in the garage, I started on the cabinet itself. This was a lot trickier because there were far more nooks and crannies than I had anticipated. So now I'm painting over the minty colour that was on the wall, and I chose this white from Dulux and the colour is called Timeless. So I got my husband in to help me rip up the old vinyl flooring, and he was able to move the washing machine and the fridge and get it all pulled out in literally 5 minutes. So we purchased these vinyl peel and stick floor tiles from Etsy. They are hand cut, which should make it so much easier to lay our floor, and we did have to wait 6 weeks for them, but it was definitely worth the wait. So as you can see, it was super easy to lay the floor tiles. I didn't need to prep the floor. All I did was really hoover it and brush it beforehand. And the only tricky part was lining up the pattern. And because the tiles are hand cut, there are some very slight inconsistencies in the pattern, but we kind of like that because it makes it unique. So another great thing about this flooring is that you don't need a tile cutter when you need to do some tricky corners. You can literally just cut them with scissors. So once the flooring was done, we just needed to do some finishing touches, and finally getting the rest of the sticker off my freezer was top of my list. A friend of mine recommended this spray from Amazon. I'll link it below, but it was literally like a miracle. I left it for 3 minutes and everything just slid off and didn't scrape my freezer. So after lots of hard work, this is what it looks like now, and honestly I am so pleased. I just love it in here. I think the blue with the patterned floor and the lovely white walls is just so fresh, and it honestly makes me happy. We still have the space where the tumble dryer will go. We're waiting for that to arrive, but it is going to be grey and silver, just the same as the washing machine. So it'll go under the counter there. And we also added some pictures, some flowers. We changed the handle on the garage door there to silver, and we added this white roller blind from Dunelm. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video gave you some ideas for your own renovations, and I would love you to subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!